Welcome back to episode 3 of Building a Backyard Ferrari, Devin TR3 project. Those of you who have been following, you've seen on our other episodes how we purchased a car, we stripped the body tub off the frame, and began to repair the frame. Back up a little bit, just back from All Drain Car Week. My wife and I had a wonderful time up there, from the gathering to the cars and coffee to the final Concord El Diagon's on the Breakers lawn overlooking the sea. Must attend event. So look it up for next year if you haven't gone. Put on your list of things to do. On this episode, we're going to be showing you how we took this frame, we cleaned it, we cut away the bad, we welded in the new, sandblasted her, gave her a 2-part epoxy coating, prolonged the life of the frame by spraying undercoating inside the tubing of it. So stay with us, and we're going to show you what we did here. And our first struggle right here is going to be repairing this. Evidently he did a little bump and it bent the frame and caused a little damage there, so we're going to cut out that section and repair it. What we've done here on the repair is we've actually cut a piece of rectangular steel out, cut the bad part out here. We went down till we got some good metal over here. This piece will now be welded onto the frame, and we've continued it all the way down. We got the top side sandblasted. Got our new bumper horns on there. And thanks to our good friends at Eastwood, we're now going to coat her with a rust encapsulator. Make sure she doesn't rust anymore. Going back to Eastwood, we prepped the frame, we primed it with the rust inhibitor. Now we're going to coat it with this 2-part epoxy paint, the 2K aerosol chassis paint. In lieu of powder coating it, because we're going to be cutting on this frame, putting new motor mounts in, some hoops to support the body, we decided to go this way instead. Kind of a neat product here. You take this item out of the top, hopefully you see that, you put this in the bottom, you find something hard to hit it on, and that activates the activator inside the paint, and I'll see you in 2 minutes as I shake it. Got the frame all epoxy coated, all ready to go, ready to hang the suspension parts. But before we start, we want to check the measurements of this frame. So we're going to make sure she's true and doesn't have to go to a frame straightening shop to have it straightened. So keep our fingers crossed, see what we got. We have our frame leveled. Not a bad idea to get one of these digital level devices. Couple levels, pretty cool too. So pretty happy with what we see. Let's come back here with the tape, start getting some measurements. Get yourself one of these Triumph TR3 manuals, Chilton manuals, or I guess in England they're Robert and Bentley manuals. But you'll find in here a really good illustration of what the dimensions should be on the frame. They'll go over how to check for cradling, for twist, for squareness, for bowing. And these dimensions we'll be taking off our frame, comparing them, and see if we have a nice, sharp, straight frame. I've taken all the data I just got off the frame by measuring it, put on a little tablet right here, a little spreadsheet, and we're all within zeroed out or about 1/8 of an inch off on one, which is well within the tolerance of what we want to do with this project. So we are going to go forward now and put the suspension components on this frame and move to getting that body and engine in that you all want to see. Okay, that brings episode 3 to an end. We did get some comments from some people who wrote in, followers. What if the frame was so far gone we couldn't continue? Well, we had a little contingency plan. We reached out to our channel partners in Long Island, Racco. Racco makes both a replacement frame for the TR3 and TR6. Very, very robust frame and very capable. We stuck with this frame because we thought it was more in the spirit of the build, the spirit of the video series, that we take the frame and redo it, and we're very happy with it. So we will be using some of those Racco components as we move into episode 4, which is the steering and suspension. So until then, hit that like button, continue to follow us, and we'll be up shortly with this episode 3 and then 4.